Hi, Andrew here from Mr. Splash Plumbing. Today we've been contacted by one of our customers regarding a leaking solar hot water system. Today we're going to replace their solar hot water system and get them up and running again with their hot water. As you can see behind me with the cherry picker set up, all their harnesses set up, ready to get up there and attack the new challenge. Just finished installing a Rheem Highline solar hot water system for our lovely customer out here at Leichhardt. I believe they're happy with the finished product and they'll have all their solar and hot water back up and running. Please give us a call for your next hot water needs on 1300 Mr. Splash.